So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel CodeVerse. So in the previous video we had seen that how to find the largest element in an array. We had seen the better solution as well as the optimal solution. In this video we're going to see how to find the largest element, sorry, the second largest element in an array. So this problem seems very simple, but this is quite tricky. So let's take an example. For example, if we'll take a array of sorry, if we'll take array, we'll take here 1 comma 2 comma 4 comma 7 comma 7 comma 5. So what the better, first of all we'll see the brute force approach, right? The brute force approach, in this someone will tell that okay, for finding the second largest element, what we'll do, we'll simply sort this, and the elements which will going to come right at the end are like oh, see, after sorting we are getting the like 1 2 4 5 7 7. So elements at the last, that will definitely will going to be our largest element, and the element this, someone will say, this will be our second largest element, right? But here the 7 and the 7 both are same, so we can't say that the 7 is the largest, because here 5 is the largest element in this array, right? So what we'll do here, as we can see here, the element at the n minus 1 position, right, is the largest, right? And like someone will say that elements at the n minus 2 position will be the second largest. So as this is in this case, the elements at the second largest, uh, like here the element at the n minus 2 position is second largest, but it is equal to the largest, right? So what we'll do is, wait, we'll do one thing, right? For eliminating that problem, we'll start iterating from the end, right? So what we'll do, we'll check, will after sorting, the largest will be array of n minus 1, right? And we'll use one for loop that will start from n minus 2, as because we know that the elements at the n minus 1 position will be going to the largest, right? And will uh, n greater than equal to 0 and n minus minus. What we'll do here, we'll use here one if condition, right? If array of I, if array of I is not equal to largest, right, then second largest, then second largest equal to array of I, and will break. So this will be the pseudo code. Now let me explain what we had did here. So as we know that here the seventh will be the largest, right? Seventh is the largest element, right? So as in the code we had mentioned that if array of I is not equal to largest, for example, like when we go back from n minus 1 position to 0, so it will do like this again, will like we are starting from n minus 2 position, so it will see, it will check, hey 7, are you equal to n minus 2 to position? Here it will say yes, I am equal to, so it will be the largest element. Again, if the pointer will come here, right? Are you equal to largest? It will say no. So the second largest will be 5. So in this way, we can say that we're going to find the uh, second largest element. Now let me sorry. Now let us see the what is the time complexity, right? So while for sorting the time complexity will be order of n log n, right? And as we have used here one for loop, and because of that we'll add one more order of n. So this will be the total time complexity, right? So now we're going to see the better solution. Uh, yeah. So now we're going to see the better solution for this. So in this better solution, we'll use two pass approach, right? So let me write the same example here, right? So previously I've used array. It was 1, 2, 4, 7, 7, 5. So what we'll do, we'll initialize the largest with array of 0, and we'll use the first pass here, right? So right now the largest is 1. So what we'll do, we'll write the pointer here, right? So now we'll compare. So what when we'll pass, so it will ask like the pointer will move here, right? So will 1 is greater than 2, sorry, 2 is greater than 1, so it will become 2. Again 4 is greater than 2, so it will become 4. Again it will move here. 7 is greater than 4, we have 7. Again we'll move here 7, so the 7 is, it will be 7 itself, right? And 5 is less than 7. So in the first pass we'll get our the largest element as a 7, like we did in the previous video while finding the largest element in an array. Now what we'll do in the second pass, what we'll do, listen, right? We'll take second largest as -1. We are taking -1 as because suppose we don't get any second large element, so in that case we'll print -1 because we don't have any second large element, right? So what we'll do, right? So let me write the again that array. It was 1, 2, 4, 7, 7, 5. So in this we'll use two condition here, right? What we'll do, first of all we'll check that array of I, we'll use a loop array of I that will start from 0th index is greater than second largest, and array of I is not equal to largest. Let me show you the thing. Let me do a dry run, right? For example, here, hey, 1, here 1 is greater than -1, and 1 is not largest, right? So what we'll do, second largest will be, right now it's a 1. Now in the second time, 2, 2, are you greater than 1? It will say yes. And 2, are you not largest? It will say yes. So second largest will be 2. Now again, 4, are you greater than second largest? It will say yes. And 4, are you not equal to largest? It will say yes. So second largest will be 4 here. Wait. Now what we'll do next? 7, are you greater than 4? It will say yes. And 7, are you largest? It will say yes, I am the largest. But Don't stop here, right? Now again we have the 7, the same thing will come. Now again 5. Are you greater than second largest? It will say, sorry, wait. Here 7. Hey, are you greater than second largest? It will say no, I'm less. And 5. Are you largest? It will say no. So we will update second largest as 5. So let me write a pseudocode for this. So I have written the pseudocode here in this here. This pseudocode is for the first pass where we are getting our largest element, right? And the second pass, what we had did, we'll take second largest as -1, and we'll use one for loop, right, where I equal to 0 uh, to n, and will in the second pass we had used two conditions, right? If array of I is greater than second largest, and and array of I is not equal to largest. So in that case, what we did, second largest equal to array of I, and we are printing second largest, right? So this is the better solution for this. So what will be the time complexity for this? Here still we are using two passes, so the time complexity will be order of 2n, but still we have not arrived at our optimal solution. Now we're going to see our optimal solution. Now we'll move to the we'll move to the optimal solution here. So let me take that example, the same example. We have used array of 1 4 1 to 4 7 7 5. So in this approach, what we'll do, we'll take largest as array of 0, and second largest will take -1. Here we are assuming that the elements in the array is not containing any negative. If it contains negative, then we'll assign second largest to int min, right, to get the smallest element, right? We'll do with this, right? So but as of now, we don't have any negative element, so we are using here -1. So let us do a dry run, right? So here array of 0 we have 1, right? And second largest element is presented is -1. So what we'll do, right now the pointer is here, right? Now the pointer is here, right? So it will check, hey 2, are you greater than 1? It will say yes. So our largest element will become 2. So once the largest element will become 2, so what will be our second largest element? It will say yes, the second largest element will be 1. Again the pointer will move here. Hey 4, are you greater than 2? It will say yes. So our largest become 4, and the second largest will become 2. Again we'll move the pointer from here to here. So hey 7, are you greater than 4? It will say yes. So we'll update 4 to 7, and the second largest will become 4. Now here again we'll have the 7. So just don't do anything. Just don't do anything, because in the next one we're going to get the same thing, right? So here also now put 5. Hey 5, are you greater than 7? It will say no. So largest element will become 7. Now hey 5, Are you greater than 4? It will say yes, I am greater than 4, but not greater than the largest. So 5 will be our second largest element. So in this way, we'll going to get our second largest element. So let me write the pseudo code here, right? So what we had did, we had taken the largest is array of 0, and second largest is array of -1. Now, and we have used the for loop, which will go till I to I from 1 to n, because we're not taking array of 0 because we have initialized array of 0 as largest. Now we have used one condition in the inside the if condition. What we have used, if array of I is greater than largest, so what we did, second largest will become the largest, and largest will become the array of I position, right? Is it what we had did in the while doing the iteration, right? Here. So now after closing, this is the condition, right? We'll use one more condition, else if array of I is greater than largest, and yeah, we are using this condition because what if the two elements are same, because in the here what we find that the 7 and 7, there are two elements which are same. For that we are using one more else if statement, right? So it's else if, my handwriting is very bad, yeah. Yeah. So array of I is less than largest, and array of I is greater than second largest. In that case, second largest will be array of I. Close. So this is our pseudocode. So let's go and run the code. What we are getting? Let's see. So here I have already typed the code. I'll provide the link in the description so that you all can practice. They did the same thing here. Largest is array of 0, then second largest array of I. But here in the problem we have to find the second smallest also. So in the second smallest we have to do this. We'll do the same thing. We are initializing the second smallest as array of 0 and second smallest as int max. So it is just opposite of this, right? So just go through the codes, and we'll run the code and let us check. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine, and yeah, that's it, right? So in the next video we're going to learn more problems related to arrays. That's it. Thank you.